Now let's solve this problem. Sin cube A plus cos cube A whole divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A whole divided by sin A minus cos A is equal to 2. To prove this, first let us write the LHS. Sin cube A plus cos cube A whole divided by sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A whole divided by sin A minus cos A. Now observe this one. It is in the form of A cube plus B cube, right? And we know the formula of A cube plus B cube. What is the formula of A cube plus B cube? A cube plus B cube is A plus B into A square minus AB plus B square. Right? Therefore, write this sin cube A plus cos cube A as sin cube A plus cos cube A is equal to A plus B. In the place of A cube, we have sin cube A, and in the place of B cube, we have cos cube A. Then what is A? A is sin A. Sin A. And what is B? B is cos A into A square. A square means sin square A minus AB. AB means what? Sin A into cos A. Sin A into cos A plus B square. B square means what here? Cos square A. Okay. Now observe this one. It is in the form of A cube minus B cube. And we know the formula of A cube minus B cube. That is A cube minus B cube. What is the formula? A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. Right? Now say sin cube A minus cos cube A. How can we write? Is equal to sin A minus cos A into sin square A plus sin A into cos A plus cos square A. Okay. Now substitute here sin cube A plus cos cube A. You can write like this. Now let me write. That is sin cube A plus cos cube A is what? Sin A plus cos A into sin square A minus sin A into cos A plus cos square A. Okay. Whole divided by sin A plus cos A. Sin A plus cos A plus sin cube A minus cos cube A. I can write it as sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A into sin square A plus sin A into cos A plus cos square A whole divided by sin A minus cos A whole divided by sin A minus cos A. Now here this one they will get cancelled, right? And what is left here? Sin square A minus sin A into cos A plus cos square A. The remaining term is this one. Then plus what is left here? Sin square A plus sin A into cos A plus cos square A. Now look at this. Plus sin A into cos A minus sin A into cos A. Both they will get cancelled. Right? Then what is remaining here? Sin square A plus cos square A plus sin square A plus cos square A. And we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. It is the standard formula of the trigonometry, right? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Therefore, sin square A plus cos square A, I can write it as 1 plus sin square A plus cos square A, I can write it as 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Here we proved that LHS is equal to RHS. LHS is equal to RHS. Hope you have understood. Thank you.